So in this video, number 3 out of my 10 video series for affiliate marketing for beginners, we're going to go over free, easy website builders. Stay tuned, coming up. Hey, welcome back. It's Eric Rodriguez, and I'm a full-time entrepreneur and online marketer, and I want to personally say thank you for coming to my channel if it's your first time. And my channel is all about me doing reviews for products of entrepreneurs to help them be successful, and also share my tips and techniques of what I do to be successful online. Now, don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss another video. And if you've been with me before, thank you very much and welcome back. So let's get started. All right, guys, so welcome to my computer. This is video number 3 for affiliate marketing for beginners, free, easy website builder. All right, and I also want to explain why it's important to have a website or a blog for your long-term goals for your business. All right, and I also just want to make this video quick, easy, and straight to the point. So this is my website here, and just want to show you how I build it and why. So I put the name of it nice and big so you know where you're at. I put a nice a nice title so you know exactly what it's about, and I also put a welcome video, that way you can see me and I can introduce myself personally, and also you can follow me on my social media, and always put a opt-in for your email list. You always want to build an email list because it is for long term, and also it's going to work for you while you sleep, and it's going to put your business or help put your business on autopilot to make you money. And I will explain that in the next videos that I'm going to be making in this video series of 10 videos for online marketing for beginners. And also, this is the latest review of the affiliate product that I'm going to be doing. I put it there and the video, and I always give exclusive bonuses with my reviews. So if you decide to purchase the product that I am promoting here, then I give you some exclusive reviews because I try to put myself or set myself apart from my competition. So that's that. And also, remember, if you have a website or blog, it's always working for you 24/7, and naturally it starts ranking in Google and you start getting free traffic and free sales. So that is, that it can't get any better than that. So definitely put that in mind. All right. So I made this website with Wix. This is the #1 website builder that I recommend, Wix, because it's free and also super simple. So don't get scared. You don't need any kind of technical knowledge to build a website. I'm gonna build one right in front of your face, and I don't even have to do anything as far as technical or anything crazy, all right? All right, so let's do a blog just for testing purposes. I'm gonna let Wix create a website for me, super simple. I'm gonna do it right in front of your eyes here. All right, so we'll do a business blog. Go to next, and online store, no. Bookings, no. A subscribe form, I definitely need that so I could grow my email list. Name of blog, let's go with video because I'm making a video here. Address, no, I don't want to put an address just for now. I could add a logo. The name is video, email address for testing, and I could add my social network later, so therefore it could be connected and get free traffic through my social media accounts as well. Indie, hype, clean, midnight. Let's go with hype. I like energy. So there it is. It's building for me. Super simple, as you can see. I get super excited every time I build a site for other people. All right, so now we're gonna pick our favorite homepage design. You could easily customize your colors, images, and more. So we have this one, we have this one, video welcome. I like this one. Let's go with this one. Loading my features, 2 out of 3. Optimizing my site for mobile, which is very important because a lot of your traffic is going to be from mobile devices, so you definitely want to be optimized. And there you go. Super simple. How long did that take? Not even 2 minutes. See, there's the name of it. I got my different pages. You got your nice title there that you definitely want to tell people why they're there and what it's about. And then you could put your post here. Like you could put the latest review that you do or the latest affiliate product that you're promoting here, then there, and put them there. And then you could have people subscribe to your email list there, have people contact you if you want, and another subscribe form, which is super simple. You see how easy that is? And it's totally free, 100% free. Now, if you want one of the paid advertising, the only difference is that on the bottom here, for the free accounts, you're gonna see designed or published by Wix. And once you start paying for the for your account, then you don't have any advertising from Wix or not like that. So it looks more professional and it's super cheap. Okay, so that's that. Then the other one that I want to show you is Blogger. Blogger is by Google. It's owned by Google, and it's a simple blog post. So I made one here for testing for video, and here I just want to choose a theme. Let's say theme testing for video. All right, looks good. Apply to blog. Boom, theme of pump. All right, so let's view the blog. And there you go, has your testing there. And then we could put something here, and this is where you're gonna put your articles. And don't worry about articles, and if you're not a good speller, you don't like to write, anything like that, you could always go to Fiverr.com and they will make a 500 to 1,000 word article on anything that that's related to your promotions. And it's super simple, super easy. You just post it here and put your affiliate links, and there she goes. And it's time to rock and roll. So you see how easy that was? Super simple. So again, I recommend Wix to make your website super easy, it's nice and clean and modern. Super easy, it's free. And also Blogger, super easy and free as well. And start driving traffic and start putting your affiliate marketing products there. So remember, this is affiliate marketing for beginners, and I just showed you free, easy website builders. All right, so there you have it. I showed you how to make a website super easy without any technical knowledge, and why it's important to have a small website or blog for your business to do well long term. All right. I was gonna do a question of the day, but no, I wanted to do something a little different. I want to hear from you guys and connect with you guys, and let me know if you are liking my videos so far and what I could change and what I could do to improve, because I always want to improve and I always want to make the best content for you guys so you can learn and we could go on this journey together and be successful together. Okay, so if you have any comments, questions, please put it down below so I could talk with you and we could improve together. All right, so don't forget to subscribe and don't miss another video, because remember, this is only video number 3 out of the 10 videos that I'm making for affiliate marketing for beginners. And I just showed you where to find easy website builders for free. Okay, so until the next video, I will see you soon.